guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne if you're new here. For today's video, we're gonna try on this K-beauty very cool trend glass skin makeup look. This is the look that I'm wearing right now. It's all about natural, healthy, plumping skin, very hydrated skin. It also brings a lot of luminosity to the skin without feeling overwhelmed with the oil and the shines. But it's all about that dewy, plumping, healthy looking skin. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this look, please keep watching. And before we start, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can notify you whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna start with skincare first. Skincare is the most important part in the glass skin makeup. It's all about that glowy, hydrated, plumping skin. I'm gonna start first with the Ole Henriksen Serious Brightening Gel Cream. It looks like so. It has that soft yellow banana color. It helps to brighten the skin. What I love about this one, it has 3 types of vitamin C. It helps to brighten the skin. It provides 24 hours of hydration, and it also helps to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And what I love to do with this one is that I just apply this on my skin and do a circular motions with this one as well. And if you feel like your skin is soaking up the moisturizer, it just means that your skin a little bit dehydrated, and you can just go ahead and apply a little bit more on your skin. The key to get that luminosity and light reflecting glow is being hydrated, and I find that this one is really good to get that hydration. And don't forget your neck. I always use whatever left on my hand and go down my neck. Next, I'm gonna use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. It also has that soft yellow color. It helps to brighten the under eyes. And what I love about this one is that I can use for my under eyes and my top, because some eye cream you cannot apply on this top part. But with this one, you can apply the top and the bottom of your eye. So I really like that. This one also helps to target the dark circle. It also has collagen in it to help form and hydrate at the same time. Now that my skin is hydrated, it plump up a little bit. I'm gonna start with makeup. Before I do that, I'm gonna apply just a little bit primer. This is the European Extra Matte Auto Mattify Primer. It's gonna help to control oil. I have oily skin, so I probably need this. And what I like to do is I'm gonna get just a little bit like this. And I'm just gonna brush this on my T-zone. I'm not gonna go all over my face. I'm just gonna apply this lightly on my T-zone because I want to keep the rest of my face a little bit dewy. So just this one right here. Whatever you have left, just run through this one right here. And that's all I'm gonna use for my primer. I don't have a lot of oil on the outer perimeter of my face. I only have right here on my T-zone, and this is all I'm gonna apply the primer for. And to amp up the glow, I'm gonna use the MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus. This is Goldlite. It's like original Max Fix Plus, but this one infused with pearlescent in it, so you have to shake it. And as you can see, they have some yellow gold particle iridescent in this. What I like to use this one for, I'm just gonna use this to prep my makeup. I'm not gonna use this one to set my makeup because it has that iridescent pearlescent in this one. So if I spray it after my makeup, usually I see the tiny little gold speck on my face. And I don't like that on my makeup because I have oily skin and I have pores on my skin. So if I spray this one after my makeup, it always exaggerates my pores and my lines on my face. So that's why I don't like that. But I like the glow it brings to my makeup. So I'm just gonna use this one to spray it before I apply my makeup. So this will also help to give you that extra hydration, and it also extends the look of your makeup. So right now my skin feels a little bit tacky because of all the product that I use. And with this one, it also had that tackiness to it, so I really like that. I also want to have the lips soft and hydrated as well. So I'm gonna use the Tatcha Camellia Gold Sponge. It looks like so. It's infused with 24 karat gold back in this one. I feel like with glass skin, everything needs to be glowy and reflected. And I love this one because it makes my lip really soft and hydrated. For the next part, you don't have to use foundations if you don't want to. You can just use BB cream, CC cream, or tinted moisturizer with this look. So for me, today I like to use NARS Sheer Glow Foundations. This is the new one. They just came out with this. It has a medium beautiful coverage. This one gonna enhance the look of your skin with the masking the natural complexions. This foundation has vitamin C in it to help brighten the skin and even out the discolorations on your skin. It also has turmeric in it, so it can enhance the skin radiance. I want to keep the shine to the skin, and with this foundations, I find that it gives me that naturally glow but not overly shiny. Alright, we take care of hydrations. We even out the skin tone. Now come to the conceal part. You don't have to do concealer if you don't want to. I'm gonna use just a tiny concealer. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. And what I like to do, I'm just gonna use just a tiny bit of concealer. I'm not gonna use a lot. So just a tiny bit right here. And just a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And that is what I use today, and I'm gonna blend it out. And whatever I have left, I'm just gonna run it through my eyes. So as you can see, I didn't use a lot of concealer. I just want to cover these bags a little bit. I know it's not gonna cover anything with this, with the amount that I use, but that is what I like about this makeup, is that very minimal, very little. As you can see, just a tiny bit, not much. So right now, my skin is just like one flat color. I want to bring back the color back to my face. So now I'm gonna enhance the complexions. I'm just gonna give the complexion a little bit natural flush, a little bit natural color. So I'm gonna use the NARS Liquid Blush in the shade Luster. And what I like to do is I like to use it a little bit in the back of my hand, and I'm gonna warm it up like so. It has this color right here. It's really natural, very beautiful. And I'm just gonna tap this and just focus this at the apple of my cheek. You can see just a tiny little bit. If you have dry skin, you can skip this part, but I have oily skin, so I need a little bit something on my T-zone to help with the oil. So for that, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Setting Powder. I already did a review of this for powder on my channel. I will put the link up there or in the description box down below so you can check it out. And what I like to do is just I'm just gonna get a tiny bit amount of powder, and I'm just gonna dust it lightly right here. That is all of the powder I used today. So now I'm gonna apply some gloss to my skin. For this look, I don't want to have any shimmering. I don't want to have any glittery on my face. I'm gonna use Shiseido Crystal Clear Gloss Gel. I don't know if you can see this one, but it's pretty clear. And with this Crystal Gloss Gel, less is more with this one. And what I like to do with this one is I'm gonna apply again on the back of my hand like so. And as you can see, it's a clear gel. So I'm gonna warm it up in the back of my hand. I'm not gonna apply this one straight to my face because it can be too much. So I'm just gonna tap this, and as you can see, it's a little bit tacky with this one. This one does not have any shimmering, does not have any glitter in this one. So this one also helps to add a little bit moisture to your skin as well. So as you can see, when you turn your face, your skin is really reflected, very glossy. This is the idea behind glass strange. You get that glowy, but it's really nothing shimmering, nothing on your skin that have that glitter. It just naturally glow like this. It just has that translucent glow to the skin. So for the eyes, I just don't want to do too much. What I like to do is that I like to do a little bit bronzer. What I like to use is just apply a little bit bronzer, whatever you want. Just a little bit on the crease. Just a tiny bit to bring definition to my eyes. There's nothing much, just a little bit. That is all I do with my eyes. And what you can do at this point is you can apply a little bit of the gloss just right here in the middle of your eyes, just a tiny bit. I'm not gonna go the whole eyes, but just right here in the middle where it catches the light. And that is all for the eyes. Just a tiny bit. If you want to bump up your lip a little bit, just bring out a little bit color. You can use the gloss balm from Fenty. This one had a little bit shimmer to it, but I find it look really nice. You don't have to use this one, just a little bit lip balm. This is it. This is the finished look. I really love how it turned out. I love that naturally glowy translucent gloss that I have on my skin. It's just that it looks really healthy, very hydrated, very plumping skin. It's absolutely gorgeous and healthy. Other products that I use today is very suitable for oily skin. I can wear it throughout the day. And what I usually do during the day with this makeup look, I just bring something like just a tiny sponge and just press it right here on the T-zone to take care of the extra shine that my oil peeking through. But other than that, I don't have to do much with this look. I really like this. This is it for my video today. I hope you like this look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. I really love it when you do. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment down below. Or you can DM me. You can tweet me. You can leave me a message on my Facebook. All over the social media. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you back here in my next video. Bye guys.